Assalamualaikum everyone, welcome back to Mr. TechFox. Today I'll show you how to change the default browser in the latest macOS. This is necessary because setting your preferred browser as the default makes browsing more convenient. Please subscribe for more quick and detailed tech tips. Let's get right into it. First, click on the Apple menu and choose System Settings. Scroll down and select Desktop and Dock. Now, scroll until you find Default Web Browser. Click on the drop-down menu and choose your preferred browser from the list. And that's it. Now you know how to change the default browser in macOS. If this was helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more quick tech tips. See you next time. Allah Hafiz.